Yeah, make us, if we really want to solve this case, let us move forward with this. True. There is no more playing games with this thing.
That's the only way.
Let us move forward like that.
Yeah, because me think about it to say I have to get somebody outside where such man can sidestep, car.
Yeah.
Such man out of the schoolyard heavy, you know.
Yeah.
You know people where them the people that them can't mess with them. So they are no that makes sense.
Yeah.
Make a lot of sense.
Yes, we're gonna move forward. You have a lawyer, the lawyer working at Jamaica. I don't, when you think a lawyer are the best person to get?
No.
No man, lawyer can't help you. Lawyer, you only need the lawyer after we find the proof. After you get all the facts together and the proof,
then we get the lawyer.
Yeah, then the lawyer come and play because the lawyer need evidence to carry to the court.
You need to join forces with Tiger. He is trying to build up our funds for PI. What? NUMI? Jayden is on there.
Alright guys, so what we're going to do is move forward and Yahuwah get the work on the PI number, everything. Yeah, hear me, Yahuwah?
Yeah, man, listen, I think something too. But
if we get no information, we can send it on.
Yes. We need somebody like in Florida somewhere. You understand? So let's move and get this this PI. I think it probably be, as the last time I checked, we didn't get a private investigator in Jamaica. And no, for something that I was going to do. And about $6,000 they were charging us. Just recently. And we just changed because we hear from the person. Yeah, remember my son?
Yeah.
Yes. So let us find a good PI, move forward, and
you think we could have?
Hopefully about $6,000 they charge us or $7,000. Hopefully.
But this person said something there.
Like, Yahuwah.
All right. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Let us move forward and get this PI. I tell us that I will pay this money for this PI.
Okay.
Yeah. Let us move forward, get this PI. So we can move and we have the information what the people them give with, and we can give them ones there for the start off.
Okay.
Yes. If them ask where to start from, at least we have some stuff start up, but we need to get a PI. Listen, in God we trust, it will work out this year. If we get a lawyer now, then we make the people them come and on board, somebody collect that money and get the lawyer.
Okay.
But for now, let us move on. Me and you, and I will figure out how to get the PI.
Yeah, okay.
Talk to them together and figure out to pay them and move on in this direction. We need to get justice for this child.
Yeah. You want a PI from out of Florida?
Yes. Somebody nearer to Jamaica.
Okay.
Let's move on from here. If I want thing I go do, I promise I'm gonna get justice for Jayden, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Guys,
Mm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Because try get the justice for him when deserve. Yeah. Yeah, so tomorrow that's a year of homework for me. And when I come from work, and we get through with any one of them, me and you call them.
Right.
Yeah, the price and something.
Mm-hmm.
And see if them, yeah. Oh, we move from there. We can do two-way call.
Yeah, that's fine.
Another thing, don't disclose the name of the PI where you are going to use.
No, man, we're not
No,
telling
no, no.
Hell no.
Uh-uh.
We're not going to tell nobody nothing. Nobody not going to know even when we hire them.
Exactly.
Don't that work and nobody know.
Yeah, nobody not going to know nothing.
Because them a listen to you and them a anything you talk about, them a try to cover any track.
Nobody not going to know.
You feel, you know?
Nobody.
But tell me something, who for Jayden I try to get justice for him? Because honestly, I never expect that Jayden case still out there like that, you know?
Body them now, yes, the people I'm gone in hiding.
Nobody, have no mother, no father, nobody.
Jayden have his mother, and the mother come over here. And I can tell you the situation. Because I say I'm going to be open to everybody. There was this young girl over here. We are keeping contact with Jayden's mother. Alright? And she still a keep with Jayden's mother. Rise up. She name. But she moved and gone over to the one over Yacht Boss on YouTube. I never follow them go over there. Because when him a deal with, it not really sit with well with me. And she have the mother, so probably the mother believe what them a tell her. So I don't know. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. I am going to be very open with you guys. Whatever she's telling the mom, I do not know. But she's over to the guy who said the mother is innocent. The family is innocent. So maybe now she think the family too is innocent. I do not know.
Not knowing that them compromise.
I do not want to put words in people's mouth, so I can't come up and say that's what. From she move and gone over to higher grounds, the mother move with her.
From the first initial stage of the case, so the first couple interview them on me here, there's no name, nothing with it. I innocent, and they close. Me surprised, you know, so with all of the mistakes them never make no cover them tracks. And all the things them them say, I understand how the police them not see through that. That's why I say if you get a private investigator and gather all of the if you have all of the clips and the interview them from back in the days, I guarantee you the amount of people that got jail in other cases are surprised. Because there's no way when we hear the things that I'm hearing I first have the police and lock up all of them the people. Impossible. Nobody not have one story where sit. Every time they talk they change the story. Straight lie. Anytime one story change, it have to be a lie. And once you tell a lie in one case, you know something about it. So you have to talk what you know. And once you can't talk what you know, you're an accomplice. So that's the way to go. Get an outside independent person to investigate it, explain to them, make them tell you the process, and that is how it should be done.
Guys, because it was alleged that one private investigator was in Jamaica already training.
Not no go so.
You didn't know,
Not for that
Leon?
case. Not for that. I don't think for that case.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, they did have a lawyer and a private investigator.
Ah,
You never know.
chat.
That even me myself, I will step up and find more information more than 1 year one. This one or 2 back say people from here the police that's what I said. When the police got jailed, there's no written down from statements coming from persons who is close to the incident and them not have get locked up. That means that somebody change the interview altogether and say, hey, dismiss this person and show it out, because there's no way you can interview somebody and them tell you something. They might tell us they see something, they hear this, they know this, and when they go back to them a different something. No man, something right. Somebody change, somebody get paid if it showed all relevant information.
You're right. Mysterious body now. A bootleg liar.
But Leon, remember, say, you see such man run off the school. You see such man run off the schoolyard. He's my friend with the commissioner, you know, and the prime minister too. So I'm have big links.
That's what I'm saying.
6 months and the PI can't dig dirt.
Yeah. Internet bad. Internet really bad.
Leon, your internet bad. It's bad.
I don't know if you can hear me.
Yeah, me hear a little better.
Yeah, myself, even me, when I know nothing about the case, could I tell you that there's somebody in high ranks involved?
Yeah, man.
The interview them and me here, me know that say somebody get paid off to dismiss everything.
Yeah.
So if you get the right, that's why I say if you get an external investigator and them good at them job, you're frightened to see the people that may go to jail for this thing.
I want that come. I want the corruption to show up. You want people to see not only that the kid is missing, but what stopped the kid situation from play out for how much months. This is what we need. No child care services, none of them people and nobody. Everybody quiet.
We never
Internet
and
bad.
even the search them never want to carry on.
Them say that take up too much resources. We know what's going on. Yeah.
Right now, it don't make no more sense. We do no more march.
No, sir.
Waste some money on the march and no result. What we need to do, because we have a private investigation PI down there.
God. Stop that. Come on.
Let me show
You know that's a bootleg. No.
Let me shut my mouth. Anyway, the march don't work. No.
Try get a reputable one, and all the information here, like the connection with the people them. Who such man connect to
Yeah.
Give them all the information because they can decipher the connections and who contact who and see where them can search from the top to the bottom.
But
I like the boots. Yeah, I like the boots. Boot the facts.
yeah, tell me better.
You talk to Leon and me over here, so just I make a little joke with myself. You talk to myself. Boot the loots, loot the boots.
Yeah, because Leon I got that make a lot of sense.
Loot the tube.
And that cut down all of the people that them are planting at the situation.
Yeah.
To throw away off and think that we cut all of that out.
Bootleg, like boots.
But me know big links make. Big links.
Or the come take mischievous phone and send her go up. Come go up on your yard. Mischievous, it's too bad.
Oh my gosh. Did you
Yeah,
say no?
we have forget somebody who don't know the people them for true. Yeah. We forget somebody who don't know them for true. For true. No more march. March don't make no sense right now. We need evidence. Evidence are the key right now. Without evidence, there's no justice for Jayden. Trust and believe that. We can't talk till thy kingdom come. Without no evidence, there's no justice. You understand? And right now it's working time. Right now, if you have your pocket have a burn, it have a burn. But if you want justice, you have to go get, do what we have to do. So we have to reach out and see what we can get, and if we can get somebody good, and if it's affordable, then we pay it and nothing more said. Not said. So when we get the evidence, may I come out and come. First of all, when we get the evidence, may I come out and come leak it too.
Who is this person be under here?
I think. I see the one talk.
No long she up there?
Yeah, guys, we just tired of hearing the talking, and no action. And the police them now do nothing. Guys, I don't no more talking. I saw me don't talk. No more talking. Action time now. No more chatting. No more chatting, justice now.
Get to the bottom of things. And who forgot go where? Who not go where?
Yeah.
That's foolishness. Rubbish what I'm doing, they look a bit nonsense.
And at this point, guys, you see, with Jayden mother, a lot of people come out and say she's a junk, she's a this, she's a that. That's still nobody no right for her, Jayden.
All if she's a mad woman or she's
it does not give nobody the right to hurt this child.
No.
And
now
she's out here and she not do what she fi do. That now prevent justice from serving. Justice will be serving. Cause they didn't have more than one mother at this point.
That's right.
We don't need Jayden original mother to come out here and do it. We do. Other mothers will have Whitney and know how it feel. I go work on behalf of her. But even if we don't want to come out here, come talk, the worst thing about her, at the end of the day, she did not deserve this to happen to her child. So you can come and say she's a junk, she not be a part of the baby, this, that. Say any negative thing on the wall, say. We are going to find justice for him. And my part, we would have love to do, is to help the baby them what she have. But I don't in that position to help them right now. But if I did in that position, I would have helped them and get them a nice place to stay. Because she gonna need help for the other rest of kids. And whoever did I go help her, wanna to still do it. I feel so wanna to still do it. Wanna not to listen to naysayer and negative people. There is a lot of people that bad mind other people. They don't want the other people get no blessing and help. Anyhow, when they come out and say they're going to help them, it's so quick them want the help. Anybody who they say them not going to help her, get her a little house, when they need to still do it for the other rest of kids. When I go wait until something else happen to the rest of them, then they come out again and cry out for justice and cry out. Listen, the other baby them who are alive need the help too. They certainly do. Because the age she in a bad situation. You understand? If you can reach out to the mother and at least help one of the child stay in school. Only not forget the mother the money, you know. Only can call the school directly and give the principal or somebody the money every month for lunch money for that other child. You understand? Sunset TV, same have an app, them have somewhere. The problem is, and I'm going to tell you, Sunset, I want to be now going to beat you around the bush, you know. I'm going to tell you the truth now. The problem is, they don't want the mother to get the money because the mom make bad decision. If you are somebody do and collect the money and do build the house, make it be transparent. And I think people will donate because I'm willing to put a little thing